Every year, there are 500,000 semi-truck accidents occur in the U.S. alone. Similar to cars, trucks also undergo crash tests to determine their safety rating in unpredictable situations. In addition to basic crash impact tests, trucks also undergo specialized tests. And in this video, we will explore how popular truck companies conduct crash tests. Scania trucks. Scania, the popular truck manufacturer, is well renowned for its exceptional safety features and transportation solutions it offers. The company conducts specialized crash tests on actual trucks to demonstrate the possible impacts on the vehicles and the potential injuries to the driver in the event of a rollover accident. The truck accelerates at 40 miles per hour before making a sharp turn, which results in the vehicle flipping over on the driver's side. In addition, the company also conducts extensive collision tests with other vehicles to analyze the potential damage in a car accident. The company also offers an inflatable curtain that is immediately deployed to prevent the driver from being ejected from the vehicle upon impact. The vehicle also boasts advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, driver support, rear-view cameras and sensors, and an advanced braking system. In the event of an imminent collision, the AEBS alerts the driver with an audible alarm. If the driver fails to respond or responds but applies insufficient braking force, the system intervenes to provide additional braking power. All Scania trucks are now equipped with an advanced emergency braking system that utilizes cameras and radar to detect objects in front of the vehicle. Scania trucks are known for their preference for conducting real-world rollover tests, including all types of trucks. Scania is renowned for its strong emphasis on performance and is highly regarded for its powerful engines and efficient fuel consumption. Volvo trucks. Known for their high standards of reliability and quality, Volvo is renowned for its highly advanced safety equipment in both their cars and trucks. Volvo Trucks conducts a series of crash tests, including drop tests and impact tests, to ensure the safety of their vehicles. To guarantee passenger safety, Volvo trucks undergo 3 main types of crash tests: frontal collisions, side collisions, and impact tests. These tests are crucial in ensuring the safety of passengers in the event of a crash. Volvo also demonstrated the worst-case scenario in a crash test using a FH truck model, in which the driver failed to react to all the warnings given by the advanced collision warning system. The Volvo Trucks also offers exceptional balancing capabilities that allow you to drive at an extremely slow speed while maintaining full control of your engine torque. The trucks are equipped with advanced sensors and an emergency braking system, which allows the vehicle to automatically apply the brakes if the driver does not take action. DAF trucks. In a controlled road test environment, a DAF truck demonstrated its impressive automatic braking system by stopping behind a slow-moving object in front of it. The truck, traveling at a speed of approximately 90 kilometers per hour, comes to a complete stop within a matter of seconds. To accurately assess and comprehend the potential impacts, the company conducts multiple crash tests, including frontal collisions, to evaluate the vehicle's crashworthiness, restraint systems, and overall safety performance. These tests are crucial in providing valuable insights into a vehicle's ability to protect occupants in the event of a collision. First, the forward collision warning system activates to alert the driver of the potential risk of an accident. Then, the advanced emergency braking system kicks in to prevent impact. The newer DAF trucks are equipped with a crash bracket system that activates upon impact, thus absorbing the force and deceleration in a crash situation. MAN trucks. Equipped with state-of-the-art adaptive cruise control, MAN trucks can automatically control the speed of the truck and assist with emergency braking using radar sensors and a windscreen-mounted camera to detect any objects in their path. The truck is equipped with the ability to detect and monitor the speed, distance, and angle of objects in front of it, all while ensuring a safe distance is maintained. The truck's sensors are able to constantly detect any objects ahead and provide multiple alerts to the driver. In the event that the driver fails to respond immediately, the system will intervene and activate the emergency brake assist to bring the truck to a full stop. MAN trucks also offer emergency brake assist in their other vehicles, which can quickly and securely detect dangerous situations and initiate emergency braking in case of serious danger. The trucks have also undergone rigorous crash tests, with the truck colliding with a barrier at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The truck collided with the barrier on the driver's side in order to analyze the potential impacts that could occur in a serious crash. The MAN trucks also features a lane-keeping assist system that notifies the driver if they unintentionally switch lanes. The system utilizes a video camera mounted behind the windshield to track the vehicle's position, continuously monitoring the left and right lane markings. If the truck unintentionally switches lanes, it will alert the driver and automatically perform a corrective intervention to guide the vehicle back into the proper lane. Combining all of these features with visual and audible alerts helps the driver make necessary speed adjustments or apply the brakes to come to a full stop. Renault trucks. Known for its commitment to energy transition, Renault Trucks offers a range of trucks that prioritize fuel efficiency and sustainability. In addition, the company also offers sustainable mobility vehicles with a longer lifespan. The latest models of Renault trucks are equipped with a forward collision warning and advanced emergency braking system. These systems work to alert the driver of an imminent collision with an object up ahead. Renault trucks also conduct specialized crash tests with other vehicles to simulate real-world collisions, and they do so with great success. The majority of accidents involve frontal offset or side crashes. The advanced emergency braking system activates the brakes when a potential collision is detected and is highly effective in stopping or minimizing the severity of a crash where the driver has failed to react. In addition, Renault Trucks has recently introduced two new features to Optifleet: the Health Module and the Safety Module. Mercedes Benz truck. According to Mercedes Benz, the Active Brake Assist 5 is the world's first emergency braking system designed to reduce the risk of accidents with pedestrians. Active Brake Assist allows the truck to rapidly decelerate and come to a complete stop, preventing accidents at speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. This feature ensures that your car will not collide with any obstacles as long as you are traveling at 43 miles per hour or less. Additionally, the Side Guard Assist is the first system to help drivers minimize the risk of crashing into pedestrians and cyclists in cornering situations. The new Mercedes Actros will be the first production truck to be fitted with a semi-automated driving system called Active Drive Assist 5. This system not only offers enhanced cruise control, but also includes electrically assisted steering. The truck is equipped with a variety of advanced technologies, such as proximity control with a stop-and-go function and lane keeping assist. This feature alerts the driver if they unintentionally switch lanes. Furthermore, with the Active Drive Assist 5 feature, the truck is able to automatically brake, accelerate, and steer in order to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of it. The semi-autopilot uses sensors to detect any object in front of the vehicle and provides assistance with additional braking force to stop if any object comes in front of it. Mercedes Benz trucks are highly regarded for their reliability, comfort, and economic efficiency, as well as their first-class product and service quality. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of our new content. Until then, take care and see you next time.